In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Search and Quick Find in Attio. By the end, you'll know how to instantly locate people, companies, deals, lists, tasks, notes, and even jump straight to actions without digging through menus. First, open your Attio workspace so you're on the home screen and connected to your team's data. Think of Search and Quick Find as your command center. One helps you locate records fast, the other helps you both find and act even faster. Now, open the global search bar. On Windows, press Ctrl+K. On a Mac, press Command+K. You'll see a search field pop up. Start typing what you're looking for. You can enter a person's name, a company name, a deal title, an email address, a list name, or keywords from a task or a note. As you type, Attio instantly shows matching results, so you can refine your query in real time. If you're not sure of the exact spelling, try a few letters or use an email address to narrow it down quickly. When you spot the right item, click the result you want to open. Attio will preview the context and present options so you can choose what to do next. To dive straight into the details, click Open Record. This takes you directly to that person, company, deal, list, task, or note so you can keep working without losing momentum. Next, let's use the Quick Actions bar, sometimes called Quick Find. This is especially helpful when you not only want to find something, but also take action right away. Open the same command bar and begin typing keywords. You'll notice that results include both records and actions. From here, you can open people or company records, jump into deals, navigate directly to lists, open tasks, access notes, move to reports, and open workflows. You can also create new records faster than clicking through menus, which is great when you're in a hurry or multitasking. Once you see the correct result or action, click it to proceed. Attio will again offer context-based options, ensuring you land exactly where you need to be. If you're working through multiple items, keep the command bar handy and repeat the process to stay in flow. To recap, open your workspace, press Ctrl+K or Command+K, type what you need, select the right result, and choose Open Record. When you want to move even faster, use the Quick Actions bar to jump to records, navigate across the app, or create new items immediately. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.